So why does reputation matter? What we've discovered is that most businesses don't realize how they appear online. Everyone has this general idea of their business, but everything starts with reviews and social presence. They work hand in hand. Let's talk about why your reputation matters so much in the digital world. Think of your online reputation as your digital storefront. Just like your physical storefront gives customers their first impression when they walk by, your online reputation does the same when people search for your business online. A strong online presence isn't just about looking good, it's about building trust and driving business. When potential customers see a well-maintained online presence with positive reviews, accurate information, raving fans, they're much more likely to trust you and choose you and your business over others, regardless of the price or the terms of your offer. Now let's consider your reviews. Your reviews are like personal endorsements. They speak for your business when you're not there. But here's the big question I have for you. Are they saying what you want them to say? Are your reviews mostly positive? If so, that is fantastic. But if there's room for improvement, this is an opportunity to engage with customers and shape the narrative in your favor. Finally, think about this. Is your online presence attracting customers? Or could it be driving them away? If your information is outdated, or if negative reviews are left unattended, you might be pushing potential customers towards your competitors without even realizing it. And we've seen this in many different ways, where people have negative reviews, they don't respond back to them. People have old photos, they don't update them. People have a phone number that maybe doesn't get answered often, and that potential customer moves on to your competitor. So as we go through today's session, keep these points in mind. Your online reputation is a critical part of your business's success, and by managing it effectively, you can create a powerful positive impression that drives growth and keeps customers coming back. Your business is in the center, and there are all of these different elements that point to it to help those that don't know you, those that were referred by somebody else, or that heard about your business in a conversation. This all leads them to your business. And the great thing about it is that you have full control. You can create a powerful positive impression. You can adjust what's not looking good or what's not showing your business the way you want it to be. And I want you to think about this question as we go through the Better Reputation Action Plan together. How does Google and the world view your business? And if you can keep that at the top of your mind, that could be the North Star on the changes you need to make in your business.